So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the analyst price targets of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance application, it's pretty straightforward. First off, select a stock if you're choosing. So for this demonstration, how about I go down right here and select NVIDIA, the NVIDIA Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA, or whatever the case may be for you. It could be a different stock, whatever it is, it works the exact same way. Once you're into the stock, if you're choosing, go down to this page right here towards this key statistics. Right above it's a summary and it's highlighted. If you were to go to the right of it and press on analyst right here, or analysis right here, then you can keep scrolling down to where it says analyst price targets. So this is where you can see the price targets from the analyst here, and you can view this for whatever stock you're choosing here on this application. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the analyst price targets of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.